Hi and welcome to our latest travel vlog. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the magnificent city of Athens, Greece. This ancient city is brimming with stunning architecture, breathtaking parks, and some of the best museums in Europe. The locals are friendly and warm, making your trip to Greece an unforgettable experience. But, let's be real, traveling can be expensive, especially in a city like Athens. So, we've got 5 amazing tips to help you save money and make the most of your trip to this amazing city. Tip 1. Getting to and from the airport. Say goodbye to expensive taxi rides and hello to affordable public transport. The International Airport in Athens is just 33 kilometers away from the city center, and there are 2 options to choose from, either the metro, line 3, for €10 or the bus, X95, for €6. Both options will get you to the city center in no time, and you'll save money in the process. Tip 2. Indulge in Greek street food. Athenians love their street food, and so will you. You'll never be far from a food stand grilling delicious meats. Try the famous chicken or pork souvlaki for just €2, and enjoy a taste of Greece. Tip 3. Find those museum discounts. Athens is a dream for history and architecture lovers, and admission prices to museums are quite reasonable. If you visit between November and April, you'll pay just €10 to visit the Acropolis and €5 to visit the National Archaeological Museum. Don't forget to bring your student ID for discounts and free entry year-round. Tip 4. Not every drink is cheap. Athenians love to relax and enjoy a drink, and you'll find plenty of cafes and bars throughout the city. During the day, you can enjoy a cappuccino for less than €2 or freshly squeezed pomegranate juice for €1.30. But, be careful with alcoholic beverages, as prices can skyrocket, with cocktails costing up to €9. Opt for local wine at a restaurant, your 5.7 per 1 liter carafe, or grab a bottle of beer, your 1.2, and enjoy it outside with a view of the Acropolis. Tip 5. Take advantage of the affordable hotels. Athens is the perfect place for budget-conscious travelers, with plenty of hotels offering private rooms for $50 or less. Book in advance and find even better deals. These budget hotels may not be the fanciest, but they have a friendly Greek charm that makes up for it. So, that's it for our 5 tips to save money and make the most of your trip to Athens. Have you been to Athens recently? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. And, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time.